Hello aspirants, here comes Vision IAS again to make your prelims preparation super easy. Prelims being the first stage of the Civil Services exam decides your fate in the subsequent stages. For any beginner, it's natural to get overwhelmed by the vast syllabus, changing patterns, multiple sources, rigorous revision, time management, and lack of guidance. To help you in your mission, Vision IAS brings for you its celebrated All India Test Series for Prelims 2025 as a one-stop solution. Considering the ever-increasing importance of mock tests, our 35 mock tests are thoroughly curated to meet all your exam needs. The test series includes 8 fundamental tests to strengthen your basic concepts, 17 applied tests to enhance your knowledge application, and 10 full-length tests to ensure you are completely exam-ready. Our mock tests have stood the test of time for the answer keys and the insightful explanation to questions aimed at broadening your knowledge level and sharpening your analytical skills. In our bid to further assist you in your preparation, we have for you our individualized personal mentoring. With our experienced mentors, get precise preparation inputs to refine your preparation strategy and maximize your potential. Feel free to turn to them for worries and difficulties that stand in the way of your improved performance. In our commitment to value your time, we have always ensured flexibility in test modules. Aspirants have the liberty to choose the date of the test and can avail it both online and offline. For improving upon one's performance, enhancing accuracy level, developing analytical skills, and boosting revision, aspirants can attend the live online-offline classroom test discussions and in-depth post-test analysis for every test. Make the most of your revision time using our Quick Revision module (QRM), which focuses on key concepts and essential facts, thus guaranteeing smart preparation and effective revision. To complete your preparation, track your progress with our trademarked innovative assessment system that also provides you with an all-India ranking, thus offering you a realistic view of your standing among aspirants nationwide. To make your test-taking experience seamless and help you get access to the QRM and supplementary materials, we offer you an easy-to-navigate student portal. Get ready to take the first step towards making your UPSC dream come true with the Vision IAS All India General Studies Prelims Test Series and Mentoring Program 2025. Register now at our website. For further inquiries, reach out to us at these numbers or enquiry@visionias.in. Your success is our pride.